Hello guys, you all came to know about this voice which is used by many YouTubers like Zendex, Termite Gamer and many more. Please support me by subscribing. Last comment down what you will type in first on this app. This app link is in description. App name is known as Narrator's Voice. To get voice like this, first go to translate icon and choose Charizard, my favorite Pokemon. Next choose American English, this one. Last but not least choose Michael Neural and your voice is done. But to tell you, this app shows many ads which is frustrating, but this app is great. Many YouTubers are showing difficult ways to create voice, but this app is easy to use.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon, and I'll do it 'cause